Hey y'all, we are back at Walmart and we are about to go ahead and try on some things from Free Assembly. Y'all, it's back to school and teachers, look, substitute teachers, it's time to go back to school and Walmart has the items that you need. Follow me. Y'all trying to shop on a budget? You can definitely find something at Walmart for the back to school season. Listen, this Mrs. Krabappel skirt, I don't know if you watched The Simpsons before, but this skirt is definitely giving that and I love it. I don't necessarily want it with this sweater, but look how big it is. This is a 2X, a double XL. So you might want to size down on this one. Now that's kind of different with Free Assembly. Normally you do not have to size down. But y'all, this skirt is amazing. I love how this looks. I definitely would not wear it with this sweater, but for some reason this is giving me like a slimming effect. I'm loving it. I think it's the skirt, y'all. I don't know. But I love this outfit. I would probably wear it with more like a white top or a cream color top or something like that, because it's just super, super cute. I wish they had like a vest to match the skirt. That would have been dope, to wear a vest with like a shirt or a blouse underneath it. But y'all, this is just definitely giving Mrs. Krabappel from Simpsons. I would definitely wear this and be at the, I don't even know if they have chalkboards anymore. Did they use chalkboards? I think by the time I graduated, we didn't even have chalkboards. We had dry erase boards, so that's what we were using. That was in the 90s. Y'all graduated in 95. But yes, I'm loving this outfit. Like, I love this outfit even with the sweater, but I would rather wear a different color sweater because the blues are of course a little bit off, but it really doesn't matter with denim. But yeah, even, you know what, a fitted blouse that peplums out would be super dope with this too, I think. Yeah, I think that would be really, really cute. You could wear some nice canvas tennis shoes, or you could wear some sandals. I don't know how it goes in school. You might not be able to wear open-toe shoes in school at this point. I'm not really for sure. But listen, we will find a way to style this skirt up. It's beautiful. Now, I believe that everything in this haul is underneath $35. I will make sure that I check everything in the shopping cart. So make sure you check your shopping cart on your screen, just in case you're interested in Free Assembly's lineup of what they just came out with recently. I, of course, will wear this sweater, but this sweater would go with a pair of jeans. The problem with Free Assembly, though, is I struggle fitting their jeans. I really do. I might need to size up a little bit if they have a size up in Free Assembly. This dress is really, really cute. I can see me wearing this with a sweater cardigan that buttons up or belts up. Maybe not even buttons up. Just something that closes to where it doesn't show that I have on no strap, or you know, those skinny straps or whatever, because I'm sure that there is a dress code. But even with this, y'all, I got a couple assignments left and I have graduated from college with my bachelor's in computer science, so I don't need to wear this no more, this type of stuff. No, I'm just playing. I will definitely be going back to get my master's, and hopefully I will be a doctor one day. If you have an emergency, still call 911. However, I'm still gonna get that paper, that certificate. But anyway, guys, this dress is cute. I love it. You know what I would wear this with? I would wear it with a blue cardigan, no doubt. However, I mean, like a navy blue, like the sweater that I wore, if that does open up. So I would wear it with that sweater, but I would wear red accessories. Like, is that crazy? Of course, that sweater had green in it, so let's not imagine that sweater, because if I had on that sweater, then I would want to wear like green accessories. But with this, let's just say I wanted to wear this with either a white cardigan or a navy blue cardigan, then I would go with red shoes, red heels, red sandals, red flats, red ballet flats would be dope. As well as with this, y'all, I love this dress. I love when the dress flares out and it's mini. And then this one, it's not like a skirt, so I don't have to worry about whether it's showing in the back. It's actually a one-piece dress, so it's not going to show in the back. Y'all, I love, 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 love this dress. And of course, I said I would wear red with it. However, I could wear brown heels. I have some wooden brown heels that I would love to wear with this, with brown accessories, especially since it has that little V-neck in the front. I would love to wear like maybe a, I don't don't know, maybe like a brown leather strap around my neck, like a choker, with some brown bracelets or bangles, and then some brown heels and a leather brown satchel. Would I wear a satchel? I would probably wear a crossbody satchel or a crossbody bag. I think would be cute with this. And even the bag can be a pop of color, just as long as everything else is like that brown color. And when I say brown, I'm talking like the color of my skin almost. Like, I have some shoes that are almost the color of my skin. I think this will be really, really cute to wear in any event, even a date night. I think it would be super cute. As long as you're not going to like a real fancy restaurant or nothing. Let's say you're going to Cheddar's. I think this would be cute to go to Cheddar's. I always go to Cheddar's, huh? You know, if you go out on a date with me, it's not going to cost a whole lot. I'm not going to Ocean Prime. So, as a matter of fact, I tried it and I was like, man, what is this man across from me eating one piece of shrimp with a fork? No, get me out of here. Yeah, my drink was smoking and I was just like, oh, this is about to be so fruity delicious. And it was bitter. I was just so disappointed. But the fact that my drink was smoking, I was excited. I recorded it, y'all. It's somewhere in the archived files on Instagram or TikTok, trust me. But this outfit, back to the outfit. I always venture off, but back to the outfit, y'all. I'm loving this dress. I think this is my favorite dress in the haul. So if you have to stop here, I guess, don't stop here. Keep going. But no, this is my favorite dress. I would even change out that belt. Okay, am I taking it too far with the brown? But the same color as my shoes, I would make the belt that color and it would be belted up with a gold hardware. So that way I wouldn't wear a brown choker. I would wear a gold chain and gold rings and gold bangles. Cute? Not as cute as this dress. Y'all, why is this dress so adorable? The colors, it's just, I don't know. I have a wedding that I'm going to in December. I wonder would this be appropriate, especially since I could wear like some boots, some tall heel black boots. I think would be cute with this dress. Is this not giving wedding vibes? I think the fabric, being that it's not silky, doesn't give it wedding vibes, but I will try to pull it off. I love this dress. I think it's so cute. It's also definitely giving school teacher vibes. So if you want to wear it to your job, I think you absolutely can. If you have one of those jobs where you cannot wear jeans until Friday, this is the dress for you. This is one of the dresses for you. In my job, it gets freezing, so I would of course have me that blue cardigan once again because it's cold. Now this one, I wonder would that blue cardigan that I had at the very beginning look good with this. Remember, it only had 1 or 2 or 3 flowers on it, but it's the same flowers that's in this dress. Y'all, they kept it real cohesive in this haul. So you can kind of mix and match some of this stuff together, which I think is completely dope. But y'all, it would be even doper if they had some cutouts on the side of this dress. That would have been cute. And you could hide it with the cardigan. But y'all, this whole haul was so adorable. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel because I got plenty more where this came from. And let me know, is this something that you would rock at work or at school? All right, bye-bye.